Was a time long ago when women ruled with unparalleled power as warriors, queens, mothers of nations. They bowed to no man, and there is none among them more iconic than Cleopatra.
Sounds like this.
La Cleopatra. La Cleopatra. La Cleopatra. La Cleopatra. La Cleopatra.